What's going on, everybody? Rich from Anywhere Gang is in the building. Today, I want to go over how to change your Facebook page name. All right, so let's say you started a Facebook page and you're growing it and you're adding to it, but somewhere along the line, you want to change the name or you decide to switch names, right? So the first thing you're thinking is, damn, I just built this page up. I got all these reviews, all these likes, all this content, and now I want to change my name, so I have to start all over from scratch. Well, the good news is that you don't have to start over from scratch. You can actually just change the name of your Facebook page. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So just for an example, I have my music page up, and we're the Spacesuit Junkies. You can check us out if you want to. What you're going to do is really, really simple, right? And now first of all, you have to be the admin of this page in order for this to work. So if you're the admin of this Facebook page, just go to your Facebook page and it should pop up these little tabs on the left hand side. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to About, and then when you click on About, it's going to pop up this right here, your category and your name and your username. All you got to do is just click Edit. It'll pop up this box here. Okay. Now, a couple things to take note of when you're going to change your name is, like it says here, your page name should accurately reflect what the page is about. They're going to review the page name that you're trying to change it to, and it has to make sense with what you're trying to do. It can't be anything like deceptive, or if you're trying to change your name to a celebrity name and do something crazy like that, they're probably going to disapprove that. So make sure that whatever you're changing it to actually, reflects what you're doing and makes sense. All right, so and it says that right here, right? Use a name that accurately represents what this page is about. Match the name of your business, brand, organization. Don't mislead people. Include any variation of the word Facebook, and then use terms or phrases that may be abusive or violate someone's rights, right? So just don't be offensive and just be smart about what you're doing, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to just change the name right here. Okay, so if I wanted to change my name from the Spacesuit Junkies to, the Crazy Astronauts. That's not how you spell it. It's not like that. There you go. The Crazy Astronauts, right? I would go and I would just continue. Okay, and then you're going to click continue. So then when you hit continue, it's going to take you to this box right here. Okay, and it's going to say you're requesting the following change to your page. They're saying that it can take up to 3 days and can require additional information. If your name change is approved, you won't be able to unpublish the page or change the name again for 7 days. So during this time, we may also let the people who like your page know that it's been updated. So this is one thing that you want to make sure that you don't do all the time, because they may send out notifications to everyone that likes your page saying, hey, the Spacesuit Junkies have changed their name to the Crazy Astronauts. So you don't want to say, hey, the Crazy Astronauts have changed their name to blah blah blah, right? You don't want to annoy your fans or your followers, so don't make this a habit, but this is something that you can definitely do. Okay, and then you would just request the change. Okay, now one other thing that I've noticed some people are having trouble with is that some people actually, when they look on the left hand side here, they don't see this About tab on there. Okay, so if that's the case for you, what I want you to do is go to Settings, and then go over to this Templates and Tabs section. Now, depending on what template you have set up on your page, we have the standard one. It should be down here, and if it's not, then what you can do is you can add a tab, and then About, if About isn't on your front page, then it should be here, and then you would just click Add Tab, and it should add it. Just in case it doesn't, though, because certain templates don't allow About tabs on there, what you can do as a little trick is you can actually go to your templates and switch it. Go all the way down and just switch it to where's it at? Just the standard one. Just switch it to the standard template right here. See, I currently have standard template, so I can't change it to it, but if you have a different one other than standard, just switch it to the standard template and then come back and then go back out to your page, and then the About tab should be on there. So then you can go ahead and go through the process that I just told you about, and then when you're done with that whole request of your name change, then you can just go back into settings and switch back to the template that you had before, if that's something that you want to do. But most of the time, the template isn't really a big deal. Alright, so that's really a quick video on how to change your Facebook page name. Hopefully this helps some people out. If you have any questions below, I'll be happy to help out. And other than that, happy marketing. Rich from Anywhere gang, we out of this thing. Peace out.